start. I started. Ow. Okay, it's Pink's daughter, Shona. We're outside. We're outside. We're gonna take a tour around the house, following the outside. Here's a big giant truck. Oh, I haven't showed that. Here's our playground that had been drowned in. A tile swings. We're gonna go around our house and our trees. Kind of beautiful. We have our outdoor room. Yeah, we have our outdoor room. Be careful, it's slippery. We have our outdoor room. And here's our backyard. There's a little cabin thingy there. And trees. Wow, it's super windy. So we're gonna try to see. Come on, gang. There is these stairs that there's a huge, in our balcony, and there's stairs that leads up to the kitchen right there, up there, and our outdoor room right there. So, wow, this is my brother. And yeah, just gonna see. Think we might going around here, all the way around the house. Yeah. Lego? But it's super deep.
Amigo, Lego though.
Okay, you wanna go first? I'm gonna sit on these stairs quickly. Sorry, I'm a bad person to video record. But I'm gonna talk English. I forgot to tell you that. Not Hmong, just because English, and I'm gonna talk Nika. Okay, I'm a really bad vlogger. There's so much snow, like so super deep and stuff. So we're gonna try to go over here. Come on.
What do you mean I can go there?
Go. Here's our back thingy of our house. Our back wall. Wait, gang. See, it's so steep. Look at these footprints. I'm taller. It's really, really, really steep. Here's the woods. We live right by the woods. And we live by the highway all the way back there. Okay, let's go. We're probably gonna see my sister again. So my brother's told me. Just gonna keep walking. These are side of our house. Go. And there's a bird house up there. Just gonna what? Wow, this is super deep. Oh no. Maybe we should just rest here for a little bit. Maybe we should go inside and show my toys. We're back! Do you think we should walk this way? Under the trees so it doesn't be so deep? So we're gonna walk behind the trees because it's super deep at the snow. Right here, not so deep. our trees are literally like, I don't know, literally drowning just like our playground. And our tubing, our cars, my mom over there, my grandma right here, my brother right there. Yeah, gonna stop it. No, I'm just gonna stop it because it's been 5 minutes. Mom, it's been 5 minutes. I haven't like.
How many minutes you recorded? It's more than 5 minutes.